Are you ready to go film some elevators?
Yeah.
And get some shopping done and go out to eat?
At the elevators and escalators at Westfield.
Yep, looks like you're already eating anyway.
Fireman is down right there.
Oh, the Papa Fireman's gonna come with us. Looks like he's taking a nap. Oh, let's get going. This is always station 1 whenever we come out to Gateway Mall. This is always station 1, the carousel. Next are the elevators and escalators. And then last is usually getting a small bite to eat. Not that busy out here today. Okay, Jeffrey, where are we at now? Oh,
By GameStop.
we're at the GameStop, huh?
Bye-bye, GameStop. Bye-bye.
September 17th, it's gonna be a big day for it. What? Look at Angry Birds Star Wars. Okay, double vlogging. Double vlogging. I want to drink water.
Papa says, JC.
I want to drink water.
Penny.
Where's the water? Hey, try again. That wasn't fun. Oh well.
Look. See, Papa says JC Penny.
JC Penny. Here we go.
Enter the elevator. First our go down the 1. Don't
Okay.
push the button. I like that. Here we go.
Here we go.
Papa says Montgomery.
Montgomery. Oh,
Certificate.
round 2.
Certificate.
Certificate.
Certificate. So JC Penny, Florida Canine, Montgomery.
There you go.
One. Now ring the bell.
Whoa.
Now chime. Whoa. Go 2. Close. Let's see. Papa, your cap, you're going up.
Oh.
Very nice. Montgomery, JC Penny.
Wow.
Pictures. Look at Papa says emergency phone.
Oh, no. Close that. Close.
It's an emergency phone. We're on the back of the second floor. So JC Penny. 1. Hydraulic. Papa says hydraulic. There it goes.
There it goes.
And that's
That's
it.
it.
And bye.
They're punching holes in it, Jeffrey. And there's trains. Trains? There we are. Alright, let's go get some late dinner. It's 7 o'clock at night. Oh, just had lunch over here. Dinner at Lone Corral, one of our favorite places. And tonight's the drawing for $425 million. Everybody cross your fingers for that, right, Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you buckle in, bud. Do it all by yourself. Come on. Well, come on. Buckle in. You can do it. Here. Take that. Right there. Okay, buckle it in. You got it in?
Yeah.
All the way? Let me make sure. Yep. You're in all the way. Good. Okay, you finish your juice there. Very good. Almost time for school to start. We got school on what, Tuesday? Tuesday, school starts August 13th. That ought to be fun. All right, let's wait for Mom.